Why automate social media for remote teams?
Automating social media posting helps remote teams stay consistent, collaborate smoothly, and reach audiences across time zones. With automation, teams avoid manual posting, reduce errors, and save valuable time. Automated tools also help ensure all posts are approved and scheduled, even if teammates are working from different locations or on varying schedules.
Choosing the right integration tools.
Popular tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, and Zapier allow teams to manage multiple social media accounts in one place. These platforms support scheduling, analytics, and collaboration features. Consider your budget, team size, and supported networks when selecting a tool. Look for options that easily connect to your team's existing workflow, such as Slack or Trello integrations.
Connecting your social accounts.
Once you've chosen a platform, connect your team's social media accounts, such as Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram, through the tool's dashboard. Each service may have its own permissions, so you may need admin access. Confirm that privacy and sharing settings align with your organization's guidelines before proceeding.
Collaborative content planning.
Effective social media automation starts with planning. Use your chosen tool's editorial calendar or a shared document to draft content ideas. Assign roles for drafting, reviewing, and approving posts. Establish clear workflows to ensure posts represent your brand and comply with company policies, even across different time zones and remote locations.
Scheduling and automation tips.
Use your tool's scheduling feature to set dates and times for each post, tailoring times to your audience's activity. Take advantage of automation rules, such as recurring posts or content queues. Test your workflows with a trial period, making adjustments as your team refines its processes, ensuring smooth, worry-free social media updates.